Today we're in Silver Spring, Maryland, the home of White Oak Duckpin Lanes. Duckpin Lanes opened in 1959 and not much has changed since then. We are here with professional photographer Jonathan Thorpe.
That looks good.
Best known for his cinematic environmental portraits, where he uses his close friends as talent.
You look like the worst car salesman in history. Or the best. Oh, how about a Chrysler LeBaron, huh? Bowling alley in the Midwest, 1973. Ben is the hometown hero. He's just the hottest thing in Wisconsin at this point. He's our main character. He's gonna be in the frame, ball up under his chin. That's great, okay. So first test shot with Ben, and what I do is I pull it to my phone so we can start staging people, like who needs to be here. Can you have a seat on that side for me? The background is gonna just be a different array of people. There's gonna be a couple key roles. Steve, you're gonna play the heel, which is like the quote unquote villain to Ben. And then Melanie will be his love interest, fangirl. That's what she likes. All right, Ken, I think we're ready. Steve, go down to your knees one more time for me. That was good. You're reaching out. Ben, give me a little tongue out too. Oh. Very good. That's good. 1, 2, 3. It's a scene out of a movie. It's telling a story. There's always something to look at in the picture. The Tamron 45 is one of my favorite lenses in my bag. Basically, it allows me to show just enough of the background so it kind of leaves the viewer wanting to see more than what's already there. You have to have the wardrobe and the hair and the makeup. Everything has to match to make it all a cohesive photo at the end of the day. I think using real people in photos, it just makes the shot more relatable. All right, Melanie. Go take a few steps back. Melanie, a little bit to your right. Keep going, right there. Be super swoony about him. There you go, that's good. Steve, go a little bit to your left. There you go. Once everyone's staged, the shooting process takes about 15-20 minutes tops. All right, everybody hold that. Thank you. Having my friends here, having people I know who are also really, really excited to be in a shot, it makes the whole process go much easier and they're much more willing to just kind of go that extra mile.
With the right cast, location, and concept, you too can create really dynamic photographs.